This is album block. I always love these blocks. They're great. You can use a couple of different colors. You can mix them up, make them really scrappy. I also like, this is a great block because you can trim it down. This uses the method where you're going to piece it using the rectangles on the side. It's going to let you piece this all together. Oops, pretend that this wasn't folded. You're going to piece it and then you're going to square it up as your very last step. You're going to want to mark the center. Use a pen. I wouldn't use a pen, or you can just fold it in both directions to get a sense of where the center of it is. You can also line up your ruler halfway between, find your inch. Same thing for this right here. For assembling this block, the one thing that can get a little bit tricky is you've got to pinch pleat to kind of find your center points, and as you're stitching it together, it's really easy to be pulling or pushing on one or the other, moving them a little bit, especially because the strips are cut on the crosswise, which means they're going to be a little bit stretchier. So be really careful with that. This is one where you're going to maybe pin a little bit, especially in the center. All the seams are pressed towards your backgrounds. It just makes the final pressing a whole lot easier. And you're going to sew it together in rows, square it up, and call it done. Album block. How easy is that?